in the heart of Yakutia, where temperatures plunge to -71 degrees Celsius. Survival isn't a choice, it's a brutal, everyday duel. Meet our young nomad hunter, a boy forged in ice, facing 14 hours alone against hypothermia's deadly grip. One wrong move, and the Siberian solitude claims another soul. Hypothermia demands respect. At -71 degrees Celsius, exposed skin freezes in minutes. Our hunter layers reindeer fur, seals boots with grass, and checks his gear knife, fire starter, snares. Every item is a lifeline in this unforgiving solitude. Core temperature begins to slip. Shivering starts violent, uncontrollable. The hunter knows the signs. Stage 1 hypothermia. He must keep moving, generate heat, or the duel turns deadly fast. Flames finally catch. Heat returns. Shivering fades. He eats, survives another round. 14 hours in the void. One boy, one unbreakable will. In Siberia, the duel never ends, but today, he wins.